Good evening, friend. Study with Apala. Chapter 3 Geological Work of Natural Agencies. Pedestal rocks. These are also often called mushrooms rock because of their likeness to mushrooms popping up closely in a level's land. They are flat topped rock masses that are characterized with the slender supporting rocks stems. The top is commonly referred as overhang, and the slender stems are pedestals. In fact, the overhang and stems are of the same rock that has been eroded by the winds quite evenly use resulting in the mushrooms like appearance of the rock's mass. These are generally of only a few meters in height. It is an established fact that in a current of winds loaded with sand, most of the sand particles are carried alongs in the lower layer of wind, generally within a height of about 2 meters from the surface. This is because of their density, hence the abrasive capacity of wind moving close to the surface is much higher than that of winds blowing in the upper region. This simple fact results in erosions and hence thinnings of the lower parts of the rock's mass at a faster rate, and whereas the upper area of the same rock mass are only polished and left as such a figure. It is obvious that continued excessive abrasions and at the pedestal's region might ultimately erode it so much that it is unable to support the flat rock tops that may collapse on the ground. So in this figure, overhang O represent and P means pedestal. This pedestal, and here make a overhang this here plane. So rock meter 2 meter 2 meter. So development of pedestal rock make pedestal rock diagrammatic. So both are important diagrams. Venti factor, these are a small size rock fragment showing 1, 2 or 3 or even more typically wind polished surface called faces. They abound in many rock deserts. The polishings of different sides of original leaves rough fragments is caused by prolonged wind abrasions faces after one face get polished partially or completely. A second face is made available for wind due to overturning of the fragment during strong gushes of wind. This process might repeat over and over against developing multi-facted fragment. These winds polished and faceted rock fragment are called ventifactor. All those two three polished face are quite common. So ventifactor up with up to 8 polished face have been observed. The Germans names Dreikanter's has been used for two-faced ventifactor. So ventifactor diagrams rock. Thank you.